Good morning mga boss! Tunay nga namang nakabibilib ang galing ng mga Pilipinong doktor na sadya namang kinikilala, di lamang dito sa ating bansa kundi maging sa ibang bahagi ng mundo. Pinatutunayan lamang nito na kaya rin nating makipagsabayan sa galing ng ibang bansa pagdating sa larangan ng medisina. Kamakailan ay idinaos ng University of Santo Tomas Medical Alumni Association ang kanilang ika-74 na Grand Alumni Homecoming sa San Martin de Porres Hall ng nasabing universidad na may temang Reliving the Past, Frogging the Future.
This is a 74th Grand Alumni Association Homecoming. It is an annual event wherein the jubilarians belonging to different class, usually the silver, the golden, the platinum, the emerald, the sapphire, coral, ruby, starting from the wood and would be coming over to renew acquaintances with all classmates and friends, and likewise to visit the institution where they studied medicine.
Ipinakita rin ng UST-MAA ang kanilang mga accomplishment at mga aktibidad na gagawin sa hinaharap.
The most remarkable achievement of the UST Medical Alumni is to come out with graduates who are known to be very compassionate, knowledgeable, intelligent physicians. Kami po yung mga tumasinong manggagamot na gusto namin ipagmalaki sa buong mundo. We're envisioning not only our concentration on medical missions effort, likewise to assist in the disaster area. We're still going on to help the rehabilitation in Leyte, Samar, this particular coming month. And likewise, we are embarking on the Heroes of Environment, considering that because of the climate change, so many changes that happened in the country which brought about calamities. So we are trying to address this. We will try to launch 1 million trees to be planted within one day in collaboration with the different NGOs and likewise with the sector of the government, which is, I believe, the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. Another concern would be, of course, we are trying to likewise bridge the relationship with the armed forces of the Philippines, and we will try to help there or support the Heroes Foundation, which is one of their advocacy. And last but not the least, of course, we have to look also into our own area here where we work, and that would be the indigency program. So in the indigency program, we will support patients who would be needing assistance in the during when they come into the charity division of the University of Santo Tomas. Our very, very good benefactor here would be Dr. Vicky Bello.
Bukod sa pagpaparangal sa mga jubilarians, kasama ring binigyan ng recognition ang mga board top notcher sa medisina at mga nagwagi sa isinagawang on-the-spot essay writing contest. Naging highlight din ng event ang THOMAS o Thomas Awards 2014 na naglalayong kilalanin ang mga matatagumpay na doktor mula sa nasabing paaralan na nagpakita ng kahusayan sa kanilang mga larangan at pagkakawang gawa. Kahanga-hanga talaga ang determinasyon ng mga Pilipinong doktor, di lamang sa pananaliksik at medisina, kundi maging sa pagtulong sa kanyang mga kababayan. Nagpapatunay lamang ito sa kahit anong larangan ay kayang iangat ng Pilipino ang kanyang sarili.
Kami po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sapagkat sa tinagal-tagal po ng panahon, kami ay narito pa po at handang magsilbi sa mga kababayan po natin para po hindi lang po matulungan kung ano pong karamdaman meron sila, kundi maitaguyod din po ang magandang kalusugan at maingatan po natin ang ating kalikasan. So yun po ang aming sa panahon na to, at kami po ay nagpapasalamat sapagkat ang aming pong mga graduates sa University of Santo Tomas Faculty of Medicine Surgery ay nangunguna sa iba't iba pong larangan ng medisina. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtataguyod sa amin.